A letter to my teacher. Lerum, January 11th. Dear class, welcome to English Basics 3. My name is Jessica Helmgren, and I'm your new, and for some of you, old English teacher. I like my job as a teacher because I like meeting new people to help them, and I also love languages. I am born in Sweden and I speak Swedish, English and French. Where are you born? What languages do you speak? Do you have a job? I live in Lerum in a terraced house with a garden, and it takes me 45 minutes to drive here. Where do you live? How do you get to school? I am divorced and I have two children, Gustav and Sven. They are 17 and 15 years old. We like to hang out at home, watch TV and play computer games. I also like reading books and work in my garden. What about your family? What do you do when you're not in school? This summer I was on vacation for 6.5 weeks. We didn't travel anywhere distant this year. We only went on a short trip to visit a friend north of Gothenburg by the sea for a couple of days. Instead, we stayed at home, watched TV, and surfed on the net. Also, we visited our families and friends, grilled a lot in the garden, and my sons went swimming in a lake many times. I did not swim because it was too cold. Oh, we fixed the house as well. We built a new bedroom wall and painted it. We also painted some windows and our balcony too. It was a pleasant holiday. What did you do this summer? Even if we have a strange situation with Corona at the moment, I hope you will like Campus Mölndal and learn a lot of English. If we meet digitally and or in the classroom, I will try my best. I hope you will enjoy your course with me. Please write and tell me all about yourself. All the best, Jessica. Write a letter to your teacher. Read the letter from your teacher and write back to her or to me, Jessica. Answer the questions in the letter. Start by Dear Jessica. End with all the best. Yours sincerely. Best regards. Write your letter on Google Drive or share the document with Jessica on this mail address. Så ni måste alltså läsa brevet, skriv tillbaka, svara på frågorna i brevet. Här är hur ni börjar, här är hur ni slutar brevet. Ni skriver på Google Drive. Det bästa nu är att ni mejlar mig dokumentet hit till denna mejladressen. Här har ni brevet om ni vill läsa det en gång till.